Hello everybody and welcome to the EURADOS meeting. So this is my first video with the summary of what happens in the first day of EURADOS. First of all, what is EURADOS? EURADOS is the European Radiation Dosimetry Group, and there are several working groups in EURADOS, and this week I am participating in the working group number 3, dealing with environmental dosimetry. I have my notes here, so I don't want to miss anything important. So yesterday we had the first meeting of the working group number 3, and there were several presentations, of course, and some of them catch my attention. For example, Annette Röttger from PTV presented the new network EMIN, the European Metrology Network, which is a really promising project, and the main goal is to be more efficient when it comes to metrological facilities all across Europe. Arturo Vargas is the chairman of this working group number 3, and he presented about calibration for radiation detectors in drones, something really interesting. And we finished the day with citizen science projects related to radiation measurements. One more thing, check in the description of the video the link to EURDEP. This is a website where you can find the real-time measurements of radiation all across Europe in different stations located in all the countries in Europe. So thank you very much, and be ready for the video tomorrow with a summary of what happens in EURADOS, the day number 2. Have a fantastic week, and bye-bye.